आज ही oladoc ऐप डाउनलोड करें। oladoc, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।
Assalamu alaikum, this is Dr. Azka Khan and today I'm going to discuss skincare routine in early 40s. Aging is a natural process which start appearing in late 30s or early 40s. Signs of aging includes excessive dryness, dullness, appearance of wrinkles, loss of elasticity, lack of firmness and age spots. Even with all these signs, you can still look young and healthy if you follow the basic skincare routine, which includes gently exfoliate your skin or cleanse your skin. Number 2, the key to success is a good moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, ceramides or botanical peptides. Number 3, protect your skin against UV radiations and wear a good sunscreen with SPF 30 or more than that. Number 4, use a good night cream which must contain retinol, antioxidants like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and many more. And last but not least, use a good night eye cream so that you can revise your skin and improve your skin health. Along with basic skincare routine, I'll suggest few procedures or techniques to look young and healthier. Number 1 is use of Botox and fillers, which are very popular nowadays. It will improve your fine lines, wrinkles, loss of fat or laxity. HIFU, it is high intensity focused ultrasound. It is very advanced technology which helps to contour your skin, improves your firmness and improves your wrinkles. Number 3 is Profilo. It is an advanced procedure which rejuvenates your skin. It helps to improve the laxity. It remodels your skin and improves your fine lines and wrinkles. As you approach your 40s, signs of aging are very prominent. This is because of many factors, and one of them is a decrease in production of sebum or oil. This will lead to your skin dry and sensitive. Moreover, the skin cell turnover, it slows down, as a result of which you will feel old and dull. Other factors includes decrease in the production of elastin and collagen. This will lead to your skin appear more wrinkles and less firm and less elasticity. Last but not the least, the production of antioxidants it decrease. As a result, you are vulnerable to oxidative stress.
पाकिस्तान के टॉप डॉक्टर्स के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, वो भी पेशेंट फीडबैक देखते हुए। आज ही oladoc ऐप डाउनलोड करें। oladoc, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।